everyone, this is Mr. Browser, and this is my first video, so hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to do a review on this photoelectric smoke alarm, so let's unbox it. Here's the smoke alarm itself. There's your test button, the LED in your horn. Let's just set it inside there. Ow. And these are your wall plugs and screws, which is quite nice. I have another of these that came with instruction manual, but this one apparently didn't. Here it is. Now we're going to test it. No, not yet. We're just going to look at it before we test it. Here's the do not paint sign. And here it says twist to tighten, twist to remove. So let's remove it from its mounting bracket. See, photoelectric smoke alarm. And here's the battery. Now I'm going to get this mounting bracket back on if I can. Now we're going to test it. If I can get 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Now I'm going to show you my the smoke detector that's installed. So up there is my another smoke detector. You see, it's mostly the same, but sounds a bit different. So well, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.